Action.
So y'all's got ready? Okay, great. All right, so y'all got napkins, right? We're good. Okay, so what I'm gonna do first, what I'm about to share with you is the main reason why I share about Saladmaster. At the beginning of the evening, we talked about the impact that water and high heat can have on your flavor and on your nutrition, right? Now we're gonna talk about the surface that your food actually comes in contact with. The last thing your food touches before it goes in your body, okay? Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna give everybody a spoon. When I give you a spoon, tell me what you like the best so far about Saladmaster, like how it performed or how it could help you in the kitchen, and please speak into the spoon or we can't hear you.
Okay.
So what'd you like best?
That you didn't have to use oil.
That we didn't have to use oil. Save it on the midsection, save it on the heart.
Yep.
Awesome.
I like that it cooks evenly.
Cooks evenly.
Yeah, that's the biggest attraction.
So you can cook everything together, you don't have to worry
Well, no,
about it.
I like the thickness of it.
Oh, the construction of
Yeah,
the
the
design.
construction. I like that, like you said, that like this pan here will cook right in this circle. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
This is where it gets the hottest.
Yeah. And so with
I like
this,
the
it's
even.
evenness of it. Awesome. Good. For you?
I like that it only takes like 20 minutes and I can eat it.
Ah, all right, that's a good one. That's a really good one. Good. All right. So, why did I use baking soda? Well, every time you cook, it's a chemistry experiment. Your food's either an alkaline or it's an acid, and when you add heat, there's a chemical reaction that takes place. Baking soda is an alkaline. It's at the same pH scale as your vegetables. And in this case right here, I'm actually using it to represent the natural minerals that are found in your vegetables, okay? So I kind of put all that in English. Notice the cake. Did you taste any vegetables in the cake?
No.
No. So the reason that I did that was to show you that there could be things in our food that we don't even know that's there. What happened was the cake mix covered up the flavor of the vegetables. So let me ask you, if I took the cake mix away, what would I be left with?
Vegetables.
Yeah. So what I'm doing here is I'm taking the taste of your vegetables away, but I'm leaving behind the natural minerals that are found in our vegetables, and how I'm doing that's with baking soda. Okay? In fact, if you look at broccoli, 7% of broccoli is sodium bicarbonate. Baking soda. I'm just taking the broccoli away and leaving behind the minerals. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
Okay, great. All right. So really easy questions here. So what? So we put baking soda and water in here. What should we get out?
Baking soda and water.
You married up. Good job. Right, they're smart now. Good. Would it give you good peace of mind knowing what you put in your cookware is exactly what came out? That's what we expect, right? Would you be concerned if what you put in your cookware, if what you put in your pan, if your pan added or did something to your food, especially if it wasn't healthy, like if it reacted, did something? Yeah, right? Do you know what water and baking soda taste like? You guys ever brush your teeth with it? Or?
Yeah, it's kind of funky.
It's kind of funky, yeah. Baking soda is a soda, it's a salt. It's kind of like an ocean water. It's kind of a great way I like to describe it. So, now the first we're going to do here is we're going to start with Saladmaster's 316 Titanium. Now what I'm going to do is put a few drops in everybody's spoon. So hold your spoon over here. Wait till everybody has some. Okay. Maybe some in here. And go ahead and blow and sip on that. What did it taste? What do you know? You may know just taste. Should taste like ocean salty gross water.
Yep.
Yeah, right, good stuff. Okay, great. So I wanted to show you that exactly what you put into Saladmaster is exactly what comes out, right? That's why we use this virgin steel, because it protects our food, all right? Now this one right here, this is an 1810 grade stainless steel. And there's different grades again. So we just showed you 316, and then this is the stuff that's sold in the stores, the 1810, right? So good things about stainless steel is that it's pretty, it's shiny, it lasts a long time. Bad things about stainless steel is it is recycled metal, right? And then that's why it gets hot spots, right? It's also, you gotta use a lot of water, you gotta use a lot of oil, and it takes forever to cook in these things. And it's clean's a nightmare, yeah, for sure, right? So hold your spoons over here. Now every time you cook out a regular stainless steel, this is what goes to you and the family. You may notice it's a little metallic, but we're gonna blow and sip on that.
Oh my gosh.
Wow.
Yeah, right? Gross, right?
That's what the paper towels are for too.
Yeah.
You need it.
Cow.
I dip
Yeah.
my tongue into it.
Yeah, that's yeah.
Isn't that bad?
That's bad.
Did you taste the metal?
Oh,
Did you just
yeah.
dip your tongue in it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I did
Glass.
taste the metal.
Taste the metal,
Yeah.
right? So let me describe that a little bit to you. Now, I guess I've got to state this thing. So did that taste safe?
No.
No.
No, right? And how often do you cook with this type of pan?
Whenever I just grab a pan.
And that's what it's there, right? Okay, good. All right. And that's what happens to your food every time you're cooking in there, right? That's what's going in, right? So, all right. So next what we're going to do is we're going to do a Teflon nonstick. And here's a warning label.
This is such a cool thing.
You gotta pause that if you're in here.
Pause it. Okay. So here's a warning label off of a non-stick pan. What it says is non-stick cookware with polytechlofluoroethylene. Oop, let's wait for mom. Gotta wait for mom whenever there's kids, right? That's right. We don't want you to miss anything. So this is a warning label I took off of a non-stick. Non-stick cookware with polytechlofluoroethylene (PTFE), which by the way is the same ingredient in Scotchgard carpets, waterproof jackets, and Slick 50 motor oil. It's encouraging. That coating can emit fumes harmful to birds. Never allow a pan to overheat and never cook with birds or small pets in or near the kitchen. Go ahead and feed the family off it. Totally fine. Yeah, sorry, buddy.
the hamster.
Yeah, get the hamster out of there, right? So don't cook with your pets around, but it's okay to cook with your family around, right? And so now we're gonna do this one. Yeah, this is good excitement here,
Oh my gosh.
right?
No.
So wait till everybody's got some.
A little less.
Yeah, right? Just dip your tongue. It's
So
terrible.
every time you cook in this is what's going into you and the family.
Oh wow. What the hell? That is crazy.
Oh my gosh.
Isn't that crazy?
That is crazy.
Right? Kind of like a plastic.
Gross.
Not good.
Yeah.
Not safe. Safe or not safe?
It's mind blowing.
Right? Yeah, totally. And how often do you cook off that?
Every day.
Every day.
Right? So every time you're cooking, that's what's going on, right? That's what's happening. That's why the surfaces of your pan are so important of what you're cooking on, because it's the last thing your food touches before it goes in your family's bodies, right? Our bodies, right? So the reason I showed you this test is because the surface of your cook-off has a big impact on your food. It is the last thing your food touches, like I was saying, before it goes in your body. This is why so many families get Salad Master. It makes the food taste better, increases the nutrition, it cuts your cooking time in half, it's easy to use, and it's safe to cook on. So, yeah. Sound good?
Wow.
Isn't that crazy? So,
That is crazy.
so this concludes this portion of the evening, and I usually like to ask at this point, do you guys want to look at the sets and the specials?
Definitely.
Definitely? All right, cool, perfect. All right, well, let's have a seat at the table, and we'll take a look.